The renovation took months to plan. You made years of saving. You stared at color charts, examined handle samples, and worktop thickness till your eyes became blurred. Quartz top, cabinets with no handles, a waterfall island, big pendant lights, all the Instagram pins you ever pinned in your home. Then dinner made you. The bin is locked up in a fake drawer front that nobody ever informed you was not functioning. When the dishwasher door is fully opened, it bangs into your shins unless you are standing in a very particular place. To access the refrigerator door to a point of opening it to take out a big tray, you have to close the pantry door that swings in its path first. Suddenly, beauty becomes an obstacle course created by a person who has never cooked a meal in his or her life. This is why money-saving home improvements should focus not only on looks but also on practical layout decisions that make everyday kitchen tasks easier rather than more complicated. They come on a Tuesday at 7 p.m. when you are already exhausted and only need to feed your family. Kitchen usability in the real world needs to consider asking truthful questions before making costly decisions. And where do you prepare food? Does the oven have sufficient counter space beside? Is it possible to move in the space without colliding with one another? Is the layout in accordance with the natural workflow, fridge to sink to hob to serving area? Is it landing space beside all major appliances? Such questions appear to be elementary, but they are disregarded regularly in favor of aesthetic values. The best kitchen showrooms have started filling this gap directly, as depicted in kitchenstore.co.uk. Instead of having clean, unadulterated displays, they allow customers to experiment with real-life situations. Load the dishwasher. Open the oven door completely. Make a play of a hectic family breakfast with several individuals moving around at once. Attempt to locate where the toaster will not clutter a cupboard. These showrooms know that it is not the same thing to see a kitchen and live in one. 5 minutes of walking through a space does not give you any idea how it will operate during a hectic school morning of 6 a.m. Are you just fed up with your existing kitchen? Do not lose hope. Even the most form-oriented space could be salvaged by retrofitting it with practical solutions. In fact, many homeowners decide to remodel your kitchen not because they want a completely new look, but because they want a space that works better every day. Pull-out bin systems can be installed in the existing cabinets. Wall units can be fitted with better task lighting. Drawer dividers and corner pull-outs address the issues of storage and do not alter the general impression. Reorganizing zones, putting the commonly used items in reachable areas, costs nothing but provides instant relief. Function does not stand against beauty. Without it, there will be no enjoyment of beauty. An effective kitchen fades away. A dysfunctional kitchen becomes the primary subject of your frustration every day. This is the mute lamentation of design-first kitchens. The distance between the architectural representation and everyday life is not realized only through usage. The side carousel that never turns a full circle, as the machine was not expensive. The sleek-looking extractor fan is not able to cope with steam boiling pasta. Such frustrations do not feature in house boards. The sink was placed in such a way that all splashes will fall on the type of wooden floor instead of the draining board. Read more on hogdigest.com.